Here's something we do. A lot of you probably didn't even know, but we do it because we love you. We want you to feel beautiful. It's during sex, during lovemaking, if you will. Because we want you to feel beautiful, is we make noise. We don't have to do that. We've been jerking off in our parents' house since we're 12 years old, like a ninja. When we're jerking off alone, we're not gonna, I got me, slow down, Andrew, slow down. I jerk off like a serial killer.